Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my natural easy makeup. So in this video, this is like how I do my makeup like almost every day. Sometimes I do it without the highlight and the blush. I just do like the foundation and contour, but in this video I show everything that I do. So what I start with is my Gold Light Prep Prime Fix, and I spray that all over my face to prime my face with. And it has like glitter and stuff in it. You shake it up real good and just spray it all over your face, and it gives you like this pretty glow all over your face and makes your makeup flawless. I really recommend this stuff. It's like really good. And then I go in with my foundation. It's the Clinique Foundation Plus Concealer, and I use that all over my face. And I use my what is this? Oh, my Morphe brush. Yeah, I go in my Morphe brush all over my face. And I just blend it all in, make sure it's all in my face. And I keep blending. So I keep using my brush to make sure the foundation's on my face. Then I go in with my beauty blender, smooth that all in, just make sure it's all on my face. And then I go in with my concealer. It's my Nars Creamy Concealer Biscuit. I put that under my eyes and on my nose and my forehead and my cheeks. Then I just keep blending that in. Then yeah, just keep blending, make sure it's blending really well. Then I just keep blending. I take a while to blend. So yeah, and then I contour right here. I use my Bobbi Brown Contour. I had got this from the dollar store a long time ago, but it still works good. And I contour on my cheeks, my forehead, and under my chin. Because you know, I got a double chin. But yeah, I blend it in with my foundation brush. Just blend it in real good. And then I go back in with my beauty blender to make sure it's all smooth out. And if you guys want a tutorial on this hairstyle, I'll put the video in the corner of my video. I'll put it up there so you can click the link. And so I just keep blending and blending. Make sure it's just blendable. Just make sure everything's blended. And then right here I use my what is this? It's my Mercier. Yeah, my Mercier powder. And then I use it under my contour to clean it up a little bit, and then I use it on my nose and my forehead and under my eyes. Just make sure it's everywhere. I just bake a little bit. I don't bake that long. And then this is where I do my eyebrows. This is how I do my eyebrows every day. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I use the eyebrow pomade. It's in the color chocolate. And so I just go in with my brush and just fill in my eyebrows a little bit. I need to get them threaded because it's been a while. Then I just do my other eyebrow. I don't really make them they're like natural looking. I don't make them all big and stuff like some people do. No, I'm not really into all that. And so yeah, and then right here I carve them out with my my concealer. It's what is this? I think it's in the color warm honey. Yes, in the color warm honey. It's it's like it's the concealer everybody uses. What is this? I don't remember, but oh, it's LA Girl. It's LA Girl, cool, not cool tan, LA Girl warm honey. And I use that. I know it doesn't match my eyebrows at all. Like, you could tell it does not match. In this video, I just grabbed anything. I was just trying to just make it look good because I don't have any more cool tan concealer, so I used this one. I know it doesn't blend very well, but I made it work though. But yeah, that's the color I carve out my eyebrows with. And right here I'm trying to blend it in and make it get the harsh line off. And I just keep blending with my beauty blender. Then I just brush them out, make sure they look good. Then right here I go in my contour, and this is my powder contour, and it is by what is this? My True Complexion contour palette, medium to dark, and I use the first color. It's contour. It doesn't really say what the color is, it just says contour, and I use that. And I just go in with that. Then I contour my nose too. And these brushes I'm using, this is the Real Technique brush. And right here I'm just dusting off the baking powder. Make sure I'm not looking ashy. I just dust all that off. Then right here I'm using my my Gold Light Fix Plus. I'm using that again. And then I went in with my All Day Slay setting spray. And it's in the flavor coconut. This stuff is really good for your face. Like if you want your makeup to last all day, you need to get this stuff. It's called Slay All Day Setting Spray. And it has your makeup lasting all day. Like you won't swear or anything. Like it's really good. You guys can get some of this. And so I'm just going in with my instead of oh my gosh, I can't even pronounce it, guys. Aesthetica Contour Series Powder Tan Dark, and I use this palette to contour with too. Then I use the first shade under my eyes for like a glowy look or a brightened under eye look, so you'll look like you're glowing but you're really not. But this stuff looks good too. And right here I'm putting on my eyelashes. This is Lily Lashes Miami, and I love these lashes. Like these lashes look like really pretty. I like these. I get these every time, and I got these off Amazon too. And yes, I'm a Prime member off Amazon. I should be with all the stuff I ordered. But yeah, just putting on my eyelashes right here. Then right here, I'm contouring again. Then I'm using my blush. And then I'm using my highlight too. The highlight is by Fenty Beauty, and it's called Trophy Wife. I really like this stuff too. Like you'll have you shimmering and everything. And I just put that on. And then this is my what is this? This lip actually is a lipstick. This lipstick is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream Budapest. Yeah, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Budapest. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, it's Budapest. I really love this color too. I got this on Amazon too. But I really like this color. Like this is really pretty. You can wear this color like every day. Like I love this color. I just discovered it too. Like I like it. I need to get some more too because I run out of that. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that bell to see all my videos that I post. Thanks, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.